Ahoy, crypto crew! Let's talk about something more exciting than watching your portfolio moon from digital pirates. Because let's face it, no one wants to wake up to an NFT of a sad hamster in a wallet that's been cleaned out. Today we're diving into cold wallets, 2FA, and how to spot phishing scams like a pro. Let's turn your crypto vault into Fort Knox. First up, cold wallets. These little USB-looking gadgets are like the of crypto security. Why? Because they store your keys, meaning hackers need to literally fly to your house and steal your coffee table to get them. Not today, Satan. Step 1. Set a PIN that's harder to guess than your ex's Wi-Fi password. Step 2. Write down your recovery phrase. Pro tip, your dog's drool is no joke. Step 3. Double-check addresses before sending crypto. One typo, and your Bitcoin's funding a llama farm in Peru. Store this phrase like it's the secret recipe to your grandma's lasagna, on your phone, in the cloud, and definitely not as a TikTok dance. Next, Two-Factor Authentication, 2FA. This is like adding a moat and laser sharks to your crypto castle. If your password is password 123, 2FA is the hero we need. Skip SMS. It's 2025 and SIM swapping is a sport. Use an authenticator app or a hardware key like YubiKey. And if you lose your phone, that recovery phrase we talked about, yeah, it's saving your butt. Arr, matey, beware of phishing scams, the ocean's slimiest creatures. They'll hit you with emails like, "Nice try, Karen," from Blockshin support. Always ask, is this email sketchier than a gas station sushi roll? Hover over links, bookmark legit sites. And if Elon Musk DMs you about a free ETH giveaway, he's probably just bored. Or an alien, who knows? To recap, cold wallets == offline swagger, 2FA == double lock swagger, phishing smarts == big brain swagger. Combine these and you're not just hodling, you're... Go forth, protect those precious meme coins, and remember, in crypto, trust no one. Except me. Maybe, smirks audibly. Smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell, or risk missing our next video on how to survive the apocalypse with a hardware wallet. Stay safe, legends!